Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. This morning we'll be taking a look at exciting stock market news, notable earnings reports, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Don't forget, if you haven't done so already, to download the TipRanks mobile app to access all of your favorite research tools and stay up to date with the latest market news on the go. Links to both the Android and Apple Store are in the description down below. Now let's get right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are well into the green this morning, and oil prices continue to rise ahead of an OPEC meeting tomorrow where they're expected to cut production. Right now, Dow futures are up 1.28%, S&P 500 futures up 1.58%, and NASDAQ futures up 2.02%. Shares of Rivian Automotive are on the rise this morning after their Q3 vehicle delivery numbers impressed. For their Q3, they produced 7,363 vehicles and delivered 6,584 units during the same period, despite supply constraints. Along with these delivery numbers, management also reiterated their full-year production guidance of 25,000 units, which is comforting given the ongoing supply shortages and cost headwinds. Analysts currently rate the Rivian stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 54%. Poshmark has decided to go private in a $1.2 billion deal with South Korean internet giant Naver Corporation. Naver will pay $17.90 in cash for each outstanding share of Poshmark. The deal represents a 15% premium to the closing stock price as of October 3rd, but the stock is now up over 12% in the pre-market, getting closer to that price. Through the acquisition, the companies aim to increase purchase conversion rates, deepen user engagement, create an industry leader in live streaming commerce, and enhance the unique relationship and discovery-based experiences that are driving fast-growing re-commerce verticals. They expect the deal to be completed in the first quarter of 2023. The Poshmark stock is currently rated to hold and had a price target of $14.50. Realty Income, the O stock that is famous for their monthly dividend, has priced a $750 million debt offering. The company has priced a public offering of $750 million of 5.625% senior unsecured notes due in October of 2032. They intend to use the net proceeds for general corporate purposes, which could include debt repayment or repurchase, hedging instruments, and development or acquisition of properties. Analysts currently rate the Realty Income stock a moderate buy with an average upside of 27%. And Apple's iPhone production in India has more than doubled since April as the company diversifies away from production in China. Bloomberg, citing people familiar with the matter, reported that their exports from India have now surpassed $1 billion. iPhone exports are expected to surpass $2.5 billion through March of 2023. This news comes following late last month when Apple confirmed it would be making its new iPhone 14 in India as the company diversifies production of their phone away from China amidst COVID-19 lockdowns and increased geopolitical tensions. The Apple stock is currently rated a strong buy with an average upside of 27%. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. In the after hours today, we'll be hearing from Smart Global Holdings and Saratoga Investment Corporation. And in the pre-market this morning, we heard from Acuity Brands. Their results came in ahead of analyst expectations. Their earnings per share came in at $3.95, ahead of the analyst estimates by 34 cents. Revenue of $1.11 billion was up nearly 12% year over year and $30 million ahead of estimates. They currently only have 2 analyst ratings, coming in as a moderate buy with an average upside of 19%. Now let's take a look at which stocks are this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by Cvent Holdings, though I wasn't able to find any distinct news behind the rise. Trading under the ticker CVT, their stock is currently up 9.26%. They're followed by Rivian Automotive under RIVN, up about 9%, and ASML Holding under ASML, up about 6.8%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by Maravai Life Sciences after announcing a CEO transition. Trading under the ticker MRVI, the stock is currently down over 7%. They're followed by Verve Therapeutics under VERV, down over 4%, and RPM International under RPM, down 3.96%. So that is going to be everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, getting you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, say good morning in the comments down below, and don't forget to download that TipRanks mobile app. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great Tuesday, and I'll see you back here next time.